Hello all, this is my bandsaw sawmill with my V-groove wheels on there, running on a track. Let's see here, got my pulleys on. It's going to be my stationary pulley with the drive pulley attached to it. This pulley will have a tensioner on it. I still need to add my Acme threaded rod to the back for full adjustment to raise and lower the head. Need to add the power supply and the motor mount. Need to add my band guide still. But it's been a fun project. Really learned a lot from YouTube videos and the DIY bandsaw sawmill site. Several people have had some great ideas, and I tried to compile them all together and make it all work. I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.